In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tag people on YouTube. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial. Now I'm going to tag here my other channel. So if we just search for Bradley Harrison, which is my other channel here, I'm going to tag this channel within a KnowledgeBase video. Now you can tag people in the description or the comments of your video. So what I'm going to do is first we need to get to the Creator Studio. To do that, go to your channel icon, then click on Creator Studio. That will take you into your dashboard and the studio of your channel. From here, you can then click on content. Once you've done that, find the video you want to tag someone on. I'll just tag myself in a public video. So this one here is public, that will do. How to uninstall Google Forms add-on. We can now go to the details section. So click on this pencil icon and it will take us inside of that video. Here we can see the title and description. If you want to tag someone, all you need to do is first you need 1,000 subscribers to actually use this feature. But after you've got that, type @ then you can start typing. So I'm just going to start typing Bradley Harrison and we should see my account. If you can't, you will need to take note of the actual @. So it's Bradley Harrison video. And here we are, we've tagged myself. We can then click save. And now if someone was to go to this video and click on this tagged @ sign here, it will then take us to the tagged channel. So I hope that helped you out.